It looked right in the camera.
Yeah, it did look into the camera.
Exactly to see what's going on. Oh, I think it's scared of the bird. Oh, it came back down. Oh, it entered the plank.
Yeah. So we have squirrels hiding under the plank in the backyard.
And they're hiding when it's cold. All the
So
time there.
yeah, she comes out, comes near us, nibbles on the food, see? Then goes, look into the camera and goes back under the plank.
She
Let's
doesn't
see
look
when-
at the camera every time.
Yeah, let's see when she comes out again. Where is it? Winter is going away, spring is almost here. We see squirrels, ravens flocking the backyard now. It's so much fun to sit near the window and enjoy.
And actually, a few times in very cold winter, there was blue jays coming and singing
Yeah,
early morning in the backyard.
yeah. So we gave some food out. And see, a little squirrel is back here on the step eating. Where is she? Where is she?
I think she's scared.
Here she is.
That's why she's frozen. So we won't know that it's there.
And
Oh no.
here's the raven. He
Oh.
picked up a bread pakora and went away.
Just say that. You can't say that.
And our little squirrel is eating a little bread pakora.
Stop saying that word. Just
So we have some visitors in the backyard. And we are here to get vitamin N, vitamin nature. No screen, nothing, enjoying the nature. Look how the squirrel is eating. Oh, look at that. Oh, she's coming. She's playing with you, aren't she? See? Now you made a squirrel friend.
I had a few before, but they left. They never came back.
Oh, see how she's looking in the camera? Not looking sideways. Oh, she's beautiful. Oh, here she is.
I'll show you. I'll show them the bushy tail. Bushy tail. Bushy tail. Bushy tail. Bushy tail. I'm getting the bushy tail. I got it.
So, here you go. Anshu's trying to show the bushy tail of the squirrel. Here you go.
The gray is the.
Oh, look at that. Now she's not scared of us. She knows we are here to feed her.
And that's why she's dropping off lots of pine cones for us.
Okay, she's gone again.
Oh,
She's
here
gonna
comes the
come
black one.
back. Here's another one. Look at her.
It's not even moving a lot. Oh, and that's the raven we fed. Pointed out that raven.
Where
Camouflage.
is that?
It's in their branch.
Okay, I don't see it.
Can you see the yellow?
I'm trying to focus on this black squirrel. She's gonna go and eat now.
The bread.
And
And how do I know what she's eating? Because I'm seeing where she's going.
yeah, see, she's enjoying her meal. And Ansh is enjoying his milk. Show us how you drink milk. Good boy. And look at the black chipmunk.
Just a ordinary squirrel.
Okay. So guys, this is the best way to enjoy when you are at home.
To enjoy nature.
To enjoy nature.
Oh, and then
And feed some hungry birds and squirrels and chipmunks.
yeah, but then I see the orange one again on the branch.
Yeah, she's gonna come back.
No, she's already here in the backyard branch of the back tree.
Okay.
Here, should I show them?
And I hope you can see the squirrel in the back
Tree.
on the tree.
Back tree on the branch.
Yeah. She's almost camouflaged.
Yeah. Oh, where did the raven go? It's gone. It was there a minute ago.
Look at the speed she's eating.
Very fast.
Oh. Done. Okay, so the
No.
black one popped away.
It's,
Not sure if you can see it.
yeah, but it's camouflaging with this fence
Okay, that one is gone.
into their backyard.
So 3 creatures filled their tummy and went away.
A chipmunk, a squirrel, and a raven.
And a raven. But we still have plenty of food around,
Yeah, and then sometimes the rabbit comes here.
so they can go bring their families and feed them.
So there's a rabbit that lives here. And it comes sometimes. We only see its footprints. We've never saw it.
Mm-hmm.
So we always try seeing it, but we never.
But now spring is coming.
So we might see it in spring.
Yay!